I start the sums. See what is complex number. Complex number is of the form already I told you. C equal to A plus IB. A is the real part, B is the imaginary part. Imagine nothing but what? Coefficient of 5. Now this class we learn about the power of the unit. Already for last video I explained how to find the power of the imaginary part of I. Based on the imaginary part we are going to do the sums. First I started the complex number for the example sums. Because we understand, see this is the new chapter, very new for you. So I start from example for you. So I power 7. I power 7 is what? So always what is the power of n? The power of n is divisible by 4. Suppose the 7 is divisible by 4, what happened? What is the balance? Balance. If the 7, 4, how to split the 7? 7 is 4 plus 3. That is nothing but what? 4 into 1. That, what is the form of n? N equal to 4q. What is our n? N equal to the power of n equal to 4q plus k. Come to the form 4q plus k. So I power 4, always see this is C. A power m plus n. A power m into A power n. I power m. I power 4. The power of 4 is always what? 1. I power 4 values already we know. I power 4 is what? Always 1. I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1. So I cube is what? Minus I. I cube is minus I. Therefore what is the answer we get? Minus I. 1 into minus I is minus I. So learn that what tabular column properly, easily understand that power. I power 4 is we know 1. First we learn about the first I square minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4. This is very important. I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 is 1. You remember these things. The remaining also very easy for you. You remember that things only. So I power 7 is rewrite as what? 4 plus 3. That is A power m plus A power m into A power n. So I power 4 into I cube. I power 4 is always what is the value for I power 4? I power 4 is 1. I cube is what? Minus I. Therefore 1 into minus I is what? Minus I. See the second question. This is 7. Very small number. We write it. See that second. First for example 2.1. See the second subdivision. I power 1729. So for this I do the division part here. If the number is divisible by 4, what is the remainder? Remainder is what? 1. So 1 means what? 179. 1729 is split into 1728 plus 1. This is fully multiples of what? 4. If you want to divisible 5, don't want to divisible the whole number. If you what is the divisibility by 4? The last, take the last 2 digit. Take the last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means what? What is if the last divisible by 4? What the 4? Suppose we are divisible by 4. Say the 4 table up to 29, 7 4s are 28. Balance is 1. That one is I rewritten here. 1728 plus 1. Therefore I power 1728. This is multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 is nothing but what? I power 4. I power 4 the whole power things. So this is we rewrite as what? 1720 multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 value is what? 1. Because this is what? I power, if you want to rewrite me, I power 4 whole power 432. So 2 4s are balance, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 3 4s are 12, balance, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 17. So 1728 is what? I power 4 whole power 432. We want to, the remainder is very very important. What is the remainder? 1. 1 is nothing but what? I power 1. So this is 1728, 29 is split into 1728 plus 1. 1728 is divide it, what happened? I power 4 whole power 32. If you multiply both the things, we get what? 1728. I power 4 is what? Always 1. I power 4 is what? Always 1. So 1 power any number is 1. Now you write I. So what is the answer we get? I. Anyway, you follow it. Either if you are divisible by the last 2 digit, what is the balance is very very important. Because multiples of 4 value is always 1. The multiples of 4 is the I power. Multiples of 4 in the I power is what? Always 1. Now listen here. Next sum. See, this is also very easy for you. Properly you listen. See the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? I power minus 1924 plus I power 2018. See, this is one. What is the last two digit? It is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 is what? Nothing but what? The remainder becomes 0. Therefore, I power minus 1024 plus 0. I power number, I power 4. If it is divisible by 4 means the value become what? 1. This is what? The I power 4. I power 4 the whole power. If you want to divide means what? If you divide it 1924 is divide by 4. Divide by 4 what happened? 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 16 what? 3. What happened? 8 4s are 32. Remainder is what? 4. 1 4 is 4 also. The remainder becomes 0. So we rewrite as what? If you want to one more step you want to write means what happened? I power 4 the whole power 481. That there is no remainder, that is nothing but what? 0. 4 into 481 is nothing but 1925. There is don't worry about the negative number. So I power 4 is always what? 1. 1 power any number is what? 1. Therefore this is what? I power 4 the whole number is what? 1 into I power 0. I power 0, this is the first value. Come to the second one. 2018. See the 18 4 4s are 16. So balances are 2016 plus 2. 2016 is, if we want to means what? If I divide like that what? 2016 is nothing but divisible by 4 means what? The value become 1. Balance is what is the balance is very important. Balance is I square. The I power 2016, that 2016 is divisible by 4 means the value become 1. That is 1 into I square. I square is what? Minus 1. Here already having what? I power 0 because 1 I power 4 any number is what? I power 4 multiples of 4 is what? The value is 1. Balance is what? 0. I power 0. So I power 0 is what? 1. I square is what? Minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Listen very carefully. What remainder is very very important. Don't worry about the quotient. If you divide it properly, the remainder is very important. The remainder is right in the power of I. Depends upon I. We want to what are the remainder coming? Either 0, 1, 2, 3. Here I power 0 equal to nothing but what? 1. I power 0 is 1. I power 1 is what? I power 1 is 1. I square is what? Minus 1. I cubed is what? Minus I. I power, sorry, minus I cube is what? Minus I. I power 4 is what? 1. Remember this power of unit, it is very easy for your calculation purpose. See, what are the remainder? If the number is divisible by 4 means what are the remainder coming? 0, 1, 2, 3 only. I power 0 is what? Anything power 0 is 1. I power 1 is what? 1. I square is what? Minus 1. I cube is minus I. I power 4 is 1. Therefore, the multiples of 4. Don't worry about the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 values become 1. We wanted the remainder. What are the remainder coming? Depends upon the remainder only we get the answer. Now, see the fourth subdivision. Summation of n equal to 1 to 102 I power n. What is the meaning? N equal to 1 means what? I power 1, I power 2, I power 3. Similarly, we go to up to what? I power 102. What is I power n? What is the meaning for I power 1? That is, summation of I power 1 is what? I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus etc. up to what? What is the number? Last number starting from 1 ending with what? Etc. up to I power 102. This is the meaning for that I power summation. Summation is what? Addition. So what is this one? Summation of n equal to 1 to 102 I power n. The question is given this only. What is the meaning? N equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 up to what is the summation? N equal to 102. So I power 1, I power 2, I power 3 etc. what? I power 102. How to easily find the value for this sum? So see, I write it here. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Take 4 units we take it. I power 1, I power 2, I cube, I power. Why I am saying? Again, I power 5. See that one. I power 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4. That is I power 4. Similarly, I power 5 going on. So, I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Plus what? I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8. Plus what? I power 9, I power 10, I power 11, I power 12. We are unable to write all the values. I take that as some values only. I power 1 to I power 4. Again I power 5 to I power 8. I put the bracket for 4 power unit of 5. The last value is what? 102. So we know that up to 100 is divisible by 4. 100 is what? 2 4, so 25 into 4 is 100. Therefore 100 is divisible by 4. So therefore I power 97, I power 98, I power 99, I power 100 we take it. That's what are the remaining value having? I power 101, I power 102. See this question. This is a 2 mark, important 2 mark also. Now write it. What I am writing here? The first step I write it as itself. What is the first step? I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4 write it. Plus this is what? I power 5, I power 6, I power 7, I power 8, which is common. Which is the lowest power? I power 4. Taking I power 4 in the outside. I power 4. Balance is what? The same. What is the first term coming? The same coming for the second one also. So we take I power 4 is take outside means I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 plus etc. Here also which one is taken? Here 97 means we want to 1i. So I power 1 we need. So 97 means we take I power 97 take outside. If we take I power and take outside means the same value. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4 plus etc. Now 101 is I rewrite as what? I power 100 plus 1. Because I power 100 is what? Divisible by 4. 25 4s are 100. That's why I power 100 is always the value is nothing but 1. 1. Here 102 is I rewrite as what? I power 100 plus 2. Now listen here. Very carefully listen. I power 1 is what? I square is we know minus 1. I cube is minus I. I power 4 is plus 1. Remember these value only. I power 1 is what? I square is what? Minus 1. I cube is what? Minus I. I power 4 is what? Plus 1. Again, what is the balance here? What is the term for the next one? I power 4. I power 4 is always what? 1. Here also the same answer coming. I power 1 is say I square is what? Minus 1. I cube is what? Minus I. I power 4 also what? Plus 1. Plus etc. Plus that here what? I power 96. 96 also multiples of 4 because 2 4s are 2, 4 4s are 16. 24 into 4 is what? 96. So this is I power 96 is nothing but what? The value become 1. Easily find out because 96 is multiples of 4. Therefore the value of I power 4 is what? 1. So I power 96 is what? 1. See what are the balance term? I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. The same answer coming. I power 1 is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 equal to plus 1. Plus, see here, I split into 2 power. I power 100 plus 1 is I rewrite as I power 100 into I power 1. I power 100 into I power 1. Again, what I rewrite here? I power 100 plus 2 is I rewrite as I power 100 into I power 2. That is A power m plus 1 is at A using the exponential form. A power m plus 1 is A power m into A power n. Similarly, I write I power 100 into I power n. Here also I write it what? I power 100 plus 2 is I write it what? I power 100 into I square. We know now easily we find out. Here what? I. Next, here what 1? Minus 1. Here what 1? Plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 become what? 0. Cancelled. Similarly, plus I minus I also 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Minus 1 plus 1 plus I minus I cancel. For the first value become 0. Similarly, what is the second part? Also the same thing. The going on etc. The here also what? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Plus I minus I 0. So this all the part is 0 because everything is what? I power we taking common thing. We easily find out 0 for all the thing. Unable to find each one value. So see the last two result. I power 100 into I power 1. I power 100 is what? Multiples of 4. 25 into 4 is 100. So multiples of 4 is what is the value? Already I told you. Multiple of 4 is nothing but what? 1. I power 100 value is what? 1. Into I power 1 is what? I. Here what? Here also I power 100 is what? 1. I square we remember the value. I square is nothing but what? Minus 1. I square is minus 1. Now easily find it. 0 0 0. So 1 into I is I. 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. So we rewrite as what? Minus 1 plus I. What is the form of the number? Remember this is nothing but what? Complex number. A plus IB. Complex number because what is the 1? 1 is the real part. Minus 1 or plus 1. Whether it is positive or negative. This is what part? Real part. What is this one? This is the imaginary part. Now we get the imaginary part. So we get the one of the complex number a plus ib, because coefficient of I is nothing but what 1, a is nothing but what minus, and either x plus iy or alpha plus I beta. So final result we get the complex number. This is the important 2-mark question. I come to the fifth subdivision. What is the fifth subdivision? For the example sum, example 1.21, I square, I cube, etc. 40. So if the power is same means what? If the base is same means we add the power. You know that one. For the x, if the base is same means we add the power. I power I square, I cube, etc. I power 40. I power 1 plus 2 plus 3, etc. up to 40. This is nothing but a sum of the first year natural number studied in the 10th standard. So sum of the first year natural, what is the formula? 1 plus 2 plus 3, etc. is n into n plus 1 y by 2. What is our n? See the formula, I write it here. N is instead of n, I power. See the base is I, power is what? 40. I power 40 into 41, because n into n plus 1. 40 into 41. 40 plus 1 is what? 41 divided by 2. You cancel what? 20. 20 into 41 is what? 820. See the last 2 digits. It is divisible by what? 4. If it is divisible I power, if the number is divisible by 4 means the value of I power is what? Nothing but what? 1. Because this is what? I power 4. If you want to means what is this one? Suppose if it is divisible by 4, the divisible by 4 means the value is directly, I directly write as what? 1. Otherwise 820 is divisible by 4, the remainder is 0. I write the remainder, I power 0. I power 0 is nothing but what? 1. Otherwise if the 820 is divisible by 4, 2 4 are 5 4 are 20. This is the multiples of 4, the value become 1. Otherwise we divide it means what? We get the remainder, anything power 0 is 1. Using both the concept, do it. Thank you children.